Oh yeah, yeah.
From the first second, you step in on the light.
Everything frees up tonight.
Ocean breeze, city glow. One look and me never want let go.
Big vibe, no stress. Only good energy and happiness.
Girl, I know the thing already.
Pull up cleaning at the foreign ride. Sunset reflecting on the seaside. Rolex gleam but my focus gone. The minute you arrive, my zone lock on.
Them I watch from a distance, but me nah give them no importance. Every little smile from your worth gold, more valuable than treasures untold.
Girl, you're classy but you're wild too. Soft when you want but you're strong true. Every conversation got depth and meaning. Like every day together got new beginning.
Palm tree dancing while the breeze pass by. Moon start rising in a purple sky. Me hold you close and the world disappear like nothing else really matter, yeah.
Boy, them can't stop this. Too much chemistry for you resist. Every little touch create fireworks, and every memory got permanent worth.
Yeah, when you
move slow, me heart lose control. Every second feel like magic unfold.
no lie,
But find peace in your eyes, like every storm finally passed by. Closer tonight, don't let go. Follow the rhythm and move real slow. Stars overhead and the waves below. Got me feeling things we never know. Hands from my waist, pull them in here. Nothing but love in the atmosphere. No pressure, no fear. Just the two of us right here.
lost till the sunrise call.
If tomorrow come, I still want it all.
Every little moment feels so right.
Make me wanna stay all night. Pretty and confident, stepping correct. What room stay with me collect respect. But when you're around, everything switch. Me drop the guard and enjoy every bit.
Designer fragrance and expensive taste, still a genuine art can't replace. You make luxury feel natural,
And every memory feel magical.
beachside dinner and a candlelight. Talking about dreams till the morning bright. You tell her things me never say, and you listen every step by the way.
Them girl chat but me never care. Coming over, we're building the air. Something solid, something rare. Something nobody can compare.
Me love how you stay composed,
Even when the pressure overload.
always know the right words to say.
And somehow brighten up my day.
Girl, me remember the other days. Long nights lost in a different ways. No every road seem clear ahead since you start occupying me, yeah.
Luxury up on the crystal sea. Still your face more beautiful to see. Champagne toast while the skyline glow. And the night keeps stealing the show.
Every bad mind will investigate, but greatness and love always generate tears.
So we keep our blessings protected and never move carefully directed.
Oh, yeah.
We promise you loyalty, not temporary energy.
Cause when me look ahead in a life, I hear me see
Beside me, ocean calling, orbits falling into place.
yeah.
No pretending, nothing fake between we space.
Every lie,
Every kiss, every late night conversation.
oh yeah.
Feel like destiny, not imagination. Closer tonight, don't let go. Follow the rhythm and move real slow. Stars overhead and the waves below. But we're feeling things we never know. Hands from my waist, pull them in here. Nothing but love in the atmosphere. No pressure, no fear. Just the two of us right here.
Dance till the sunrise call.
If tomorrow come, we still want it all.
Every little moment feels so right.
Make we never wanna leave tonight. Love in abundance, good vibes around us. Nothing else around us. The happiness found us. Girl, pull up cleaning at the foreign ride. Sunset reflecting on the seaside. Rolex gleam but my focus gone. The minute you arrive, me zone lock on. Yeah, them I watch from a distance, but me nah give them no importance. Every little smile from you worth gold, more valuable than treasures untold. You're classy but you're wild too. Soft when you want but you're strong too. Every conversation got depth and meaning. Like every day together got new beginning.
Palm tree dancing while the breeze pass by. Moon start rising in a purple sky. Hold you close and the world disappear.
Like nothing else really matter, yeah.
Boy, boy.
Them can't stop this. Too much chemistry, fear resist. Every little touch create fireworks. And every memory got permanent worth, yeah. When you move slow, me heart lose control. Every second feel like magic unfold. No lie, me find peace in all your eyes. Like every storm finally pass by. Closer tonight, don't let go. Follow the rhythm and move real slow. Stars overhead and the waves below. Got me feeling things me never know. Hands from the waist, pull me near. Nothing but loving at the atmosphere. No pressure, no fear. Just the two of us right here.
I dance till the sunrise gone. If tomorrow come, I still want it all.
Every little moment feels so right. Make me wanna stay all night.
Pretty and confident, stepping correct. Whole room stare when me collect respect. But when you around, everything switch. Me drop the guard and enjoy every bit. Designer, fragrance and expensive taste. Still a genuine art can't replace. You made luxury feel natural. And every memory feel magical.
Beachside dinner under candlelight. Talking about dreams to the morning bright. Me take your things we never say. And you listen every step of the way.
Them girl chat but me never care.
Cause me know what we're building here.
Something solid, something rare.
Something nobody can compare. Me love how you stay compose. Even when the pressure overload. Always know the right words we say. And somehow brighten up me day.
Girl, me remember the other days. Long nights lost in a different ways. No, every road seem clearer, eh. Since you start occupying me, eh.
Luxury up on the crystal sea. Still your face more beautiful to see. Champagne toast while the skyline glow. And the night keeps stealing the show.
Every bad mind want investigate. But greatness and love always generate, yeah.
So we keep with blessings protected. And every move carefully directed.
Oh, yeah.
I promise your loyalty, not temporary energy. Cause when we look ahead in our life, you me sit beside me. Ocean calling, heartbeats falling into place. No pretending, nothing fake between we space, yeah. Every laugh, every kiss, every late night conversation.
Oh, yeah.
Feel like destiny, not imagination. Closer tonight, don't let go. Follow the rhythm and move real slow. Stars overhead and the waves below. Got me feeling things we never know. Hands from the waist, pull me near. Nothing but loving at the atmosphere. No pressure, no fear. Just the two of us right here.
Dance till the sunrise call. If tomorrow come, we still want it all.
Every little moment feels so right. Like we never wanna leave tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Love in abundance, good vibes around us. Nothing else around us, only happiness found us.
Oh, yeah.
Girl, stay close tonight, no rush, feel leave.
Hey.
One more dance, one more kiss. Let's make this moment last forever.